welcome back to my channel, or welcome if this is your first time here. My name is Deanna Monet, and today we are going to be doing a fall favorites video featuring products from Amoren Beauty. I have tried numerous products from this line and they are all incredible, so stick around and we're going to be talking all about her fall collection and what she has going on. The owner of Amoren Beauty is Tiffany. She's also known as Ms. Amoren here on YouTube. She does have a channel, so go check out that if you would like also. And her Instagram page is Amoren Beauty. So of course all her links, handles, and details will be below in the description box because you need to follow her like right now. The owner is a Black female entrepreneur and she is such an amazing businesswoman. I cannot say enough good things about her, and her products are always amazing. Like, she gives you 110%. So I am so excited about her fall collection. I saw those pictures she posted on Instagram and I was like, yes ma'am, I need it, I want it, yes, right now. Fall is my new favorite season too, just because it used to be summer, but summer's a little too hot. So I'm just loving all the fall vibes, all the fall scents. Let's get into the unboxing. So she sent over this really cute pink package, and once I opened it up, there were 2 boxes. So inside of the first box, we have these very like fragrant candles. Clean and pumpkin. I love that. Pumpkin. It's like pumpkin and pecan, but we're going to get into that later. How cute are these candles? Like, how cute. She has her signature bow on everything, which I love. It's just, it's a vibe. It's a vibe. And then in the second box, I received a few cosmetics from her fall collection. So we have the Buttons Lip Ink, the Lavish Life Lip Sparkle, and the French Toast Lip Ink. And I also got a sample of her Bourbon Please candle melt because I was very curious as to how that smelled, and you guys, like, it smells good. And the candle sizes that I have are 3.5 ounces, and those sell for $10 each unless they're on sale. And there is a larger size candle that is 13 ounces, and that will be released this week actually. And the price of that one will be $22. I also really love what her business name stands for, Amoren Beauty. It means true beauty starts from the love within. So not only do I really enjoy her products and her as a person, but also what her business and her brand stands for as a whole. So that was the unboxing portion. Everything was so cute and neat and tightly packaged and tightly wrapped, and I would expect nothing less, okay? Let's get into these candles first, and then we're going to get into the lippies. The first one I want to talk about is Clean. This thing smells like some soap and laundry detergent and some Febreze, and you just mixed it all together and it just smells so delightful. Oh my goodness. Clean. That's the perfect name for this. This will just, like, it will light up your whole room with fresh linen. What else am I getting? I'm so bad at like describing what I smell, but when I tell you, it just smells good. Soap. It smells like soap and it smells so good. Let's move on. The next one I have here is Pumpkin. I was so excited about this one because my girl Diamonds, Curls, and Pearls reviewed this over on her channel. And she said if you like pumpkin pecan waffles by Bath and Body Works, then you were gonna like this. And when I tell you I love that scent. And I love just like fall fragrances in general. This smells so good. Oh my goodness, this smells so good. Let me see if I can describe this one a little better. This smells like marshmallow, vanilla, pumpkin, maple syrup. It's like so good, so fall. This one right here, get you a nice little close up. This one right here, oh yeah, I like that. It just smells sweet and sugary. And these items are not expensive at all. They are not overpriced. They are all very reasonable and very affordable. I purchased this one myself, okay, because I was pressed. I was pressed over pumpkin and it did not disappoint. There's no way for me even to describe to you how good this smells. You just have to go to her website. Like, you can click off my video. Go to the website. It smells so nice. So nice. And the last fragrance I have here is an honorable mention because this is not from her fall collection. This is just a scent that I think this is one of her first scents that she released. Rum Punch, and I have the Candle Melt. When I tell you, this smells so good. When I tell you this smells so good, this smells like a tropical vacation, okay? Whatever kind of fruity drink you have in your hand in a glass, that is what this smells like. This smells so good. Ooh! Okay, so clearly my two favorites are pumpkin and rum punch because I tend to favor very sweet smells, and that is what both of these are. They all smell wonderful. So no matter which kind of palette, is that what you say for candles? No matter what kind of taste you have, you're going to find something that you like. And push come to shove, clean. If you're not really like a fruity or sugar scent kind of person, you can't go wrong with clean, because when I tell you it just smells like all things fresh and wonderful, that's what this one's going to give you. Let's move on now to the lippies, which I am so excited about. She's been teasing us with this fall collection for a minute, so I had my eye on a few items, okay? We're going to start off with Lavish Life, which is this color here. And this is a lip sparkle. So her lip sparkles are like a gloss pretty much. And then the lip inks are like a matte lipstick that are very long lasting. So I'm going to wipe off what I have on now. Okay. And I'm going to go in with Lavish Life. Lavish Life is like the perfect golden peachy gloss that you want in your fall collection. It feels really smooth, very moisturizing. I like it. I'm here for Lavish Life. Next, let's go to, which one should I do next? Okay, next we're going to do this shade here, which is French Toast. I love that name. And this color is like screaming fall, so I can't wait to see this on. This is a lip ink. This color to me is like the epitome of fall. Like, this is the perfect fall lip color. It's a nice rust color. I kept calling it rust for the longest time. Like, it's not called that. It's called French Toast, but it's just so nice and warm. I'm going to go in now with my Amoren Brownie lip liner in the color brown. And I purchased this maybe like 2 months ago, but look how cute. The bow is on everything. And this is what that looks like. It's a brown lip liner. I'm just going to see how that looks with French toast. So this is how it's looking after I very lightly lined it with her brownie lip liner. I think that's really cute. I think that is like a great combination. Go Tiff! And like I said, her lip inks are very long lasting. Like once this dries, you will not get a transfer. And I can feel it begin drying on my lips as I speak. Like, you see? Nothing. So the last one we have is another lip ink, and it is in the color Buttons. How cute is that name? Buttons. This is like a mauve pink kind of shade, which I think I'm really going to like. This time I'm going to go in with the brownie liner first, and then I'm going to add Buttons on top. First of all, I have to say I love this duo. I love this duo, and like mauve pinks are my thing. Like that is my signature kind of go-to color. So I am definitely feeling Buttons. It's hard for me to pick a favorite, honestly. It's hard, but if I had to pick a favorite, it would be this one right here. And then it's like you can't have this one without getting this one. Look at the detail on this lip liner. It's like packaging 10, presentation 10, product itself 10. Like everything is so nicely done with this line. I can't even. But for me personally, I'm gonna say Buttons and Pumpkin stole the show. These two, boop boop, they stole the show. I can't have enough. I cannot have enough. I think I'm gonna throw in a bonus color also that I think is good for fall. Okay, so I just wanted to pop back in really quick because yesterday we reviewed the fall collection of these lovely shades here. But then once I finished recording, I realized I had also purchased another shade from Tiffany that I think would look perfect for fall, and that is Amoren Beauty. So that is what this looks like. Look at that pretty vampy color. So I wanted to try this one on too, just because I feel like this is a good color for fall. Okay, and this applicator does look a little different to me. This looks like a brush, but it is a brush. Okay. So if you want to pick up any of these goodies or any of these lovely fragrant candles, then please use the code MONET20 to save 20% on your purchase. Well, that is all for today's video. I do hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, please make sure you leave this video a big thumbs up down below. And don't forget to check out Tiffany's website, Amoren Beauty. And follow her on Instagram at Amoren Beauty as well, because you don't want to miss out on all this goodness, okay? Look at this. Like, I can't even hold everything. But you don't want to miss out on all of this. So make sure that you follow her and sign up for her newsletter, because she is always having like discounts and promotions. So sign up for it. I thank you so much for watching this video. Please leave me a comment down below on which one was your favorite, and I will catch you later.